Okay, good evening, everyone. Good evening. If you can hear me, type in the chat box. So I know you can hear me. Hi, Ronald. It rests. If you can hear me, type in the chat box. Okay, give me a second. I'm doing something. Okay. Wow, good afternoon. Where are you? Okay, where are you all from? I know. Where are you all from? Type in the country where you are from. Where got afternoon? I thought evening already. Malaysia. Market close today. Yeah. Okay. So Singapore. Okay. Good. Okay. So let my set my intention. Actually, from Finland now in Singapore. Okay. Guangdong, Shanghai, or David from Shanghai, Switzerland in Singapore. Oh no, so many Switzerland in Singapore. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Let's get started. Welcome to today's MEE. Let me say the intention. My intention is at the end of today, everyone will feel that you all made the right decision to be here today. Okay, so today event is open to the public, so you can say hi to the public also. Okay, as usual, we're going to go through the markets. We're going to go through the index, going to look at different time frame, and then later part we will after then we will go into our individual stocks and the stocks that you all want to look at also. Okay, so let's get started. Whatever I share with you today is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. But yes, if you understand. Thank you. Okay, so first thing first, I quiz your graduates since most of you are graduates here. Okay, last week, okay, S&P 500 weekly chart. Do you all remember what did I talk about? Type in the chat box. What did I talk about last week? Weekly chart, position weekly. What is the thing that I talk about? Those people who are around, what did I talk about? Start to take profit. Okay, losing strength. Don't enter position weekly. Trend is still what? Trend is still up, losing momentum. Yes or no? Oh, most of y'all should know. Okay, so let's look at it this week. So first question, can y'all see that the market is losing momentum? How do type yes if you can see that? Type yes, you can see that. Type no if you don't know. What do you mean by losing momentum? Okay, how do you see the momentum is the candlestick. Okay, if the candle movement, okay, you see from candle movement from here, open here, close here. Yes or no? Open here, close here. Yes or no? So this is the ground that it took. Okay, that means the bull took so much ground. Okay, open here, close here. So last week you mentioned the market is losing its momentum. This week, can you see open here, close around the same price? In fact, I think it closed slightly lower. Yes or no? Okay, so or slightly higher but the body is very small, so it conquered very little ground last week. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So from this chart, these four candles, you can see that the momentum going upwards is losing its strength. Yes or no? Okay, even though the trend is up since here. That yes, if you understand. Okay, the trend is up since here. Okay, since S&P 500, we are in here, we are up. Since S&P 500 here, right, we are up about we're up about 26% already. Okay, but at this moment, okay, if especially when you're doing weekly swing means short-term trade. Weekly swing means short-term trade. You should consider to take in some profit for the weekly swing setup. How many of y'all here took the weekly swing buy about 1, 2, 3 weeks ago? Like me, if y'all bought some weekly swing 3 weeks ago, when we talk about this, Damien, only too later last week. Do you talk about this weekly swing setup, right? Type yes if I talk about this. Oh, have, right? Okay, so we have this weekly swing setup. We have the trigger here already. Oh, the trigger here. And then right now we are week 1 in the trade, week 2 in the trade, week 3 in the trade, hit resistance in the trade already. How many of you took some profit? Type profit if you took some profit last week or the week before. Last week or the week before. Weekly swing one. Okay, some of you all took, right? Okay, go. Good. So right now, okay, at this moment, you can have some leave on the table, but you can take some, then you're more relaxed. Yes or no? Why? Because you're doing a 1 month trade. Also, if you're doing a 1 month trade, which is 1 week, 2nd week, 3rd week already. Yes or no? This 3rd week already. Okay, so 3rd week already. Then this week, next week, you can take a look. If it turn down, you can take. If it doesn't turn down, you just wait. Type yes if you understand. Also, you took some of the market off already. You know momentum is dropping. So now you look at what? Okay, so I give you some suggestion how to look at. Okay, one suggestion is you can look at the previous week, last week close. Okay, sorry, last week low. Okay, last week low is here. Oh, so if this week, okay, this week haven't started yet. Okay, but this week when it start, it closed below this 5559, then you can take the rest. Type yes if you understand. Okay, if not, if it does not close below here, then you continue to mark the high this week. It means you keep marking the high of the previous week low. Type yes if you understand. Okay, so it's a trailing stop or can do trailing stop. Okay. Any question on position weekly, position swing weekly, position weekly, swing weekly? Any question? Type good if you understand. Public, if you have a question, can also ask. Okay, so just to set some context to the public. Every week we do a webinar with our SMT graduates. Okay, during the SMT graduates, we will review the markets, different countries. Okay, US, Singapore, China, Hong Kong, Japan. Okay, and then we will break into different time frame. Okay, whether it's long term 1 year, whether it's short term 1 month or 3 months or 1 week. Okay, we'll break into different time frame, and then I will share my view of what to do. Okay, every week we do the same thing, and then and we will apply what we learned in class. Okay, we have all the different strategy. Okay, we apply in class. Learning class we apply every week in real time. Type yes if the graduate. Type yes if you agree. Okay, let's do the SMT right now. Okay, type in SMT if you recommend SMT to the public. Okay, just do now. Okay, no need to. Okay, so thanks everyone. Okay, so those people who are in the public want to join our SMT community, you can go to this link. You can CollinSeow.com /SWB to join us in our be part of our community. Okay, it's the course, but it's also a lifelong mentorship lah. Oh, it's a lifelong mentorship. So thank you, David, Ying, Chia, Selvin, Ferris. Well, Ferris very long never see you. Okay, Rick, Kelvin, KS, Siu Kin batch 14. Okay, Roslyn, George, Brian, Kelvin. We got a lot of Kelvin. Johnson, Terrence, I know. Shan Yan never see before. Shan Yan what batch one? Wong Hu Yan, Ronald I know. Ronald is coming right for the retreat. Okay, fantastic. Eddie I know. Singh I know. Darren, Kemi I know. Elvin I know. Okay, Sherlyn. Okay, thanks everyone. Okay, for posting the SMT. Okay, it means you recommend SMT to the public. Please, you join us. Come and join us. Okay. Oh yeah, by the way, SMT graduate. Later I got good news. Okay, when we close already. When we close here, I got good news. Okay, for you. Okay. Okay, we'll move on. Okay, so Next, we go to position daily. Okay, position daily. Okay, position daily chart. Okay, position daily chart. Let's take a look. Position daily. At this moment, there is still no arrow with teeth. Yes or no? Yes, if you understand. Okay, so I will say the market 3 months, 1 month to 3 months, 1 month to 3 months right now, today. Okay, for the last 1 month, market has been going up. Okay, but the last 2-3 weeks, 2 weeks to about the last 1 to 2 weeks, not 1 to 2 weeks. Okay, market, even though it's going up, has been losing strength. Okay, it start to go from uptrend to a bit sideways already on the one month to 3 month time frame. But yes, if you understand. Okay, so it is reached a point of indecision. Okay, a point of indecision. So if you're short term, if you are doing swing weekly, it makes sense. If you enter somewhere here on the swing weekly, then now here you can take some profit. Okay, now at this moment we don't know whether it will have a new burst of strength, okay, or it will start to correct back. Okay, we don't know. Okay, but at this moment, if you're short term, you should take some profit. If you're long term position weekly, 1 to 2 years, no need lah. For the 2 years, you just hold on to the position. Okay, so position daily right now, just wait and see. Okay, systematic lah, wait and see, and wait for the arrow with teeth. Okay, any question? So that good if you understand. Understand, or understand? Very good. Okay, so now last one is swing daily. Swing daily, we don't have any trade. Okay, you can look at the MA. The MA is like not going anywhere lah, not slow up, not slow down. It's like sideways. The price is above the 2 MA, but the 20 is still below the 40, even though it's the 20 is going up. But so they tell me it's sideways right now. Okay. Leona, do you recommend DCA for S&P 500 or SPY? What is your context? What is your context? That means, so the question, if you don't ask in the context, then is how to answer? Yeah, as an example, you say the context is, can I buy S&P 500, this SPY for long-term retirement, for next 20 years or 10 years I retire? Or can I buy S&P 500 and sell in the next 1 year? Or I can sell in the next 2 years. So what's the context? Do you understand or not? Like, yes, if you understand, actually very important to have context. Okay, SMT graduate, do you understand context right now? Like, yes, if you understand context. So if you understand context already, then you can answer the question. Okay, if you don't have the context, then any answer can be correct. Yes or no? Or any answer can be correct. So coming back. So if you say, Collin, can I buy S&P 500 for retirement long term? Then anytime is a good time. Long term, 50 years, even 30 years. Type in the chat box. S&P 500 long term, what is the returns per year? What is the returns per year? Type in the chat box. What do you think is the return? Guess if you don't know. About 10%, 10%, 10.5% over the last 50 years. Got it? Compounded, compounded. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Compounded 10% every single year. So if your question is, can I buy S&P 500 and do long term for retirement? Okay. Or the same question, I say, Collin, can I buy S&P 500 and I want to sell within the next 1 year? Then I say no. Or there are better things to dollar cost average. Okay. Can I buy 2 years? I also feel that within 2 years got better time. Now you are not buying at a cheap price. Make sense? Does that answer your question? Or answer your question, right? Okay, so good. Okay, so next let's go to Nasdaq. A good question, but you understand context right now is important, because if you don't understand context, then you're not systematic in answering the question. Yes or no? I don't like people that say, "Oh, Collin, can I buy this?" Or ask somebody to, sorry, I need to this value investing. Okay, but I say, "Collin, can I buy this value stock or not?" Okay, they say, "Oh, not ask me, ask somebody." Say, they will say, "Oh, this one stock good, can buy, no problem." Then the stock is, let's say, $100. Then 6 months later, the price dropped to $80. They say, "Hey, last month, 6 months ago, you say can buy, but now dropped to $80. How?" They say, "Never mind, it's now cheaper, can buy some more." And there's no context. So they say cheaper, can buy. Okay, like that, buy some more. Then after $80 drop $40, then can buy not? Can buy. No context, because there's no time. So do you understand the challenge with just buying because it's valuable? It is not a very good idea. That yes, if you understand. Okay. Of course, if he say buy and then it's context, if you buy $100 and you can hold it for the next 20 years, then no issue lah. But if you say just buy because it's undervalued, then it has an issue, because undervalued does not mean that it will make money. Do you all understand the difference right now? Yes, if you understand the difference. Also, when you understand the time difference, then you can at least have a systematic way of answering the question. Okay, then not so emotional. Okay, next is, by the way, public, if you can like and share the post, that will be fantastic. Okay, please like and share the post if you are in the group or in the whatever place. Okay, so next, NASDAQ position weekly. Still uptrend. Yes or no? Relatively speaking, as NASDAQ is stronger or weaker. Last week I already mentioned, stronger or weaker than S&P 500. Weaker. Last week, what did I say? Weaker, but why? Last week, what did I say? When I say weaker, why? Because it is not what? Not that. On the chart, how to see that it's weaker last week? Because S&P 500 has almost reached all-time high, but this one is still below the all-time high. Correct? Okay, Navin, correct. Okay, that yes, if you understand. Okay, S&P 500 is near all-time high, whereas last week NASDAQ haven't reached all-time high yet. Got it? So this week, last week, can you all see that proven that we will correct last week? How do I know it's proven? Because this one not only body small, open high, close low. That yes, if you understand, it's a bearish candle. That yes, if you understand. So not only losing momentum, but bearish candle. Got it? That makes sense or not? Okay, so it's bearish candle. So it's losing steam, confirmed losing steam. Okay, so position weekly, long term, no need to do anything. You have been holding the position since here. This is up about 56%. Position swing weekly, that means 1 month trade, you should take profit. How many did NASDAQ or tech stocks do weekly swing one that you all took some profit? Like me, you all took some profit. Those who haven't took profit, please go and take profit. It's still not too late to take profit. But you go wait. Later, if it close lower or below your entry price, then you're going to take profit. It will be much more challenging. That yes, if you understand, lesser profit better than lose money. So because some people think negative. That means last week you didn't take profit, still make a bit. Okay, but this week maybe if it's down, then don't take already. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So that's the purpose why I asked your last week take profit. You take already, you smarter, yes or no? Smarter, and then this week they say, now how? Now how? Okay, so now what do you do? same thing lah. You can use the previous candle low to take profit, or if you ask me, Nasdaq take full profit already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? The context is swing weekly, 1 month trade. Take everything already. This week, take everything. Got it? That yes, if you understand. Okay, take everything already. Oh, so if you all don't take, your problem, not my problem. Okay, I already say last week, take already. Oh, got it? Okay, I already say last week. Okay, go and take. Okay, you don't take later, become actually Collin last time to do swing weekly one. Swing weekly, but now lose money. Never mind, I change to position weekly. Can or not? Can or not? Cannot. Collin will take the cane and cane you. Okay, don't change time frame. Yes or no? Hello. Oh, you're supposed to do long term, then do long term. You should do short term, then do short term. Don't like change. It's like not systematic already. Yes or no? Oh, so the key is to be systematic. Okay, so that you have no emotion now. Okay, just follow the trade. You have to trade. You have to invest. Follow your time frame. Okay. So next we go to position daily. Position daily, nothing much. Okay. Position daily, nothing much. You can also see from here, guys. Also that the teeth is like this. Tells you what? Teeth is light green. That means tell you the the strength is not strong. Got it? Yes, if you understand, that strength is not strong. Okay. So good. Okay, let's value add a bit for the public especially. Let's quickly go through the rest of the market and then we value add a bit. Okay. Let's do Hang Seng and then we. Okay, so that's how I mentioned before. If you want to do dollar cost averaging, I think Hang Seng is better. Yes, if you understand. So if I'm 1 to 2 years, I want dollar cost averaging. I prefer to do Hang Seng than S&P 500. 2nd of September start. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, it's better to do this. Okay, so position weekly remain no change. Okay, position weekly no change. In fact, there is a nice trend. Can you see the change of trend? Yes, if you can see the change of trend, the change of trend down and then going up, the ME turning up. This is the long-term context. Sui. Okay. Question, is it too late to start my dollar cost averaging on Hong Kong stocks? No, it's not too late. Okay, it's not too late. Sets too late already. Sets too late already. How many of y'all bought sets last year? Like me, you all bought set last year. Y'all what already? Yes or no? That sets if y'all bought last year, then y'all what already. But this year you want to start too late already. Okay, went up 100% already. Now you want to go and do. Okay, by the way, sets I got some update. Okay, I got some update for you all later. Okay, now price is 22266. Okay, later I update you all. Okay, up 55%, brother. Okay, Singapore stock. Okay. So anyway, later I update your stats. Okay, remind me if I didn't tell you. Okay, so because individual stocks are afraid for the public because you don't have the system. You like treat as tips time. Even for graduates, please don't treat this as tips time. Yes, if you understand. On Collin going to give tips. Don't do like that. Okay, you must learn how to do it yourself. It's better to think, why does Collin think this way, than to learn Collin's method rather than just copy what Collin do. Got it? Okay. Important, guys. Okay. When I say this, it's not that I don't want to do my weekly webinar with you all, but really learn how to do it yourself. Okay, it will be much more useful. Okay. So let's finish up the individual market first. Okay. So Hong Kong continue dollar cost averaging. Don't need to trade Hong Kong, just dollar cost averaging. China also the same. Okay, 2, 8, 2, 3 are the same. Just do dollar cost averaging. The news is bad. Type yes if you agree. The news is bad. China market the numbers came out. Don't care already. Okay, don't care already. If you bought, by the way, if you bought and you're in the money and today you watch the news and it's bad news, it is good news for you. Do you understand or not? That yes, if you understand, if you bought already and now you bought last year, China or Hong Kong, you bought and now you're in the money because the dollar cost everything the world price, right? And now you're in the money and today you read news is bad news. It is fantastic news for you. Why? Why is it so? Why is it so? Why is it that besides you make money, why is it so that now that you read the news all bad and you are already in the money, why is it good? Low point, no more seller. A little bit准, but not exactly correct. Okay, psychological. Think about it. Psychological, guys. Don't do the cliche one. Psychological. Why? If the news every day come out bad news, that means what? People all read the news, then what? Sell. Scared. Yes or no? Do y'all agree? Or sell, scared. See, okay, I got Hong Kong stock, Hong Kong right, sell. I got China stock, sell. So everybody's selling, even though everybody fearful already, the Hong Kong and China market have not went lower. Means is what? Compared to last year, compared to this one, 2022, 2024, it is still higher with all the bad news. Means is what? It is good news. Do you follow what I'm saying? So like that lah. Do you all follow what I'm saying? This happened also last year when we bought sets. Last year the news for sets is bad when we started buying. Yes or no? That yes, if you agree, the quarterly result came out lose money. Yes or no? Or same theory. Got it? Okay, but the context is this one is long term. Got it? Yeah, long term. Okay, so Hang Seng I finished. China and Hang Seng about the same. Okay, so okay, let's value add a bit for the public. Okay, so let's say right now, if I want to dollar cost average on the Hong Kong market, okay, if I want dollar cost on Hong Kong market, then what can I buy? Besides, I buy the ETF. By the way, what's the ETF that you all can buy? The individual ETF that you all can buy, 2800, 2823 for China and things like that. Yes or no? These are the ETF. Besides that, you can go here to the Hong Kong Stock Exchange and you can find all the big cap stocks here. Got it? All the big cap stocks here. Then from all the big cap stocks, go one by one, find the one that you like. Don't need to go two down. Or first 20 can already. Do you follow what I'm saying? So you have a short list of stocks to buy already. Got it? That yes, if you understand. Alternatively, it's about the same. Alternatively, you can just go to, let's say, like Hong Kong ETF, and then you just find the component stock in the Hong Kong ETF. Do you follow what I'm saying? The component stock in the Hong Kong ETF, and then those shares over there will be the shares that you can look at. That yes, if you understand. These are the shares that you can look at. So if you get exposure to all this, then you're more or less already have the exposure to the Hong Kong market, and you have the best exposure to the Hong Kong market. Does it make sense? Type yes if you understand. You can go to the ETF. Then under ETF, then you see over here, let's say where's the Hong Kong ETF here? Then from there you can see what's the individual stocks name. or the individual holdings. Got it? Okay, you can click the link and then you can find out what's the holding. Okay, why don't can you just buy the index? You can just buy 2800 or the ETF, can. But when you buy the individual stock, question, why do you don't buy the ETF? Why do you want to buy the individual stock? If you don't want to select, can or not? Can, just buy the whole ETF lah. But you want to select, then there is one more. It's an advantage and disadvantage. Who can tell me why you want to choose individual stock? You will have higher beta. Okay, higher beta means if this go up, if the whole ETF go up and you buy the strong stocks in the ETF, you will get even stronger. Got it? But it can be a case that you lousy in choosing stock lah. Or the ETF, you choose the lousiest one. Correct? You know what I'm saying? Okay, so question. How can you systematically choose the top stocks in the ETF? Now is the advanced question. How can you systematically choose the, let's say right now got ETF got inside ETF, right? This ETF got a lot of stocks, right? How to systematically choose the strongest? Okay, give you a thing. Very simple. You just go and find all the component stock, put into watch list. Okay, put into watch list. Then you rank it by month. Okay, you rank it by month. Then you rank it by month already. So then you found that one is the strongest. Type yes if you all understand. Okay. Okay, put all into your watch list already. Then under your watch list, you go and scan the watch list. Okay, let's say example right now, I have my juicy list. Okay, example, the juicy list is all the Hong Kong stocks. Okay, you know how to put in the watch list, right? Don't know, go and ask the seniors. Okay, then after that, you rank by month or you rank by quarter. You should be able to find the strongest in the whole ETF. Got it? Then focus on that few. Got it? Okay, so I don't know whether this one is useful for the public. Public, nobody. Okay, should not click rule name. Should not. Why? Why cannot click rule name? Because rule name will give up all the stocks with the arrows, but rule name does not mean that it's strong. Got it? Does not mean that it's strong. It just means got an arrow only, but it doesn't mean strong. Okay, you must click on the month. Then from there, this is strong, this is strong, this is strong. Because you can have a stock that is in the middle of the list, got an arrow, but it's not strong. So don't buy that one. Make sense lah? Okay. So if not, then let's say bye to the public. Okay, just one more shout out to the public. Thank you so much for joining us for the last 30 minutes. We will continue with our meeting, but for the public, if you want to be part of our SMT community, come and join us. This link is CollinSeow.com. The link to sign up for the preview is CollinSeow.com/SWB. Yes, thank you, Zach. Okay, join SMT now. Okay, join the secret group. Okay, graduate, do me a favor. Okay, type in last thing. Help me do a favor. Why they should join SMT? Type in a reason why they should join SMT. Gain value. What else? Type real one. Okay. Okay. System that work, like-minded investor fight together, good mentorship, system to follow, community for life, very detailed explanation, realistic advice for investing. What big one? Like best value for community. What really make money? That one I like. Yeah, really make money one. Very hand-holding to guide you, lifetime support, systematic, simple system, shooting fish in a barrel. Wow, like it. Every Monday got entertainment. Collins with us. No more problem trading. Okay, so can join us. Okay, so if not, then thank you very much. See you all, public. Bye.